Alright, welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in. I'm gonna knock out an unboxing and do a quick giveaway update, actually. So, everybody come on in, sit down, get ready, relax, get your drinks. I got my pineapple Red Bull here, and we'll get right into it, okay? We have had a giveaway on this channel since we started for 500 subscribers. We're giving away a watch winder. Actually, I have it here. Just got to remind everyone, the Wolf watch winder. We're going to mail this out to someone. And then we're also going to send out an automatic watch. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the watch on the day that we do the giveaway. I do have the watch winder here. And we're going to send that out to one viewer. Okay. I did start the giveaway already. We've got... Actually, I can show you the leads we've got here. We'll do a quick update on that. So I don't want to go too low because that's where the email addresses start, and we are being respectful of privacy here. So 146 leads, and as you can see the button there in the corner, pick a winner. I'm going to do that live. I'm going to essentially hit that when we will pick the winner, but there's 146 entries. So there are 146 people entered into the giveaway right now. And then, like I said, I'm going to hit pick a winner. It will select someone. And that person's going to get, once again, this Wolf automatic watch winder and an automatic watch. So that's going to happen if you go to the website. And well, essentially, the winner will be announced on 1/1/21. The ways that you enter, okay, there's just 3 quick, easy steps. Follow this YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. I've got the Instagram name in the comment section below. It's just Unbox and Chill, but it's in the comment section below. So follow us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, and then go to the website. There's a link in the description below, and enter your email address. So once again, I'm not going to email you anything. I'm not going to spam you. I'm not going to do anything like that. The only way I will email you is if you win. You will get an email. I'll reach out to you and say, hey, you won. Provide me your address, and I'll get the items over to you. So, and that's international, so don't worry about it. I will get it to you. So, no matter where you are in the world. So, just those 3 things. Really quick, really simple. You can do it in 30 seconds. Thank you guys so much. There's been tremendous growth on this channel. I really do appreciate it. I think we're about to close in on 600 subscribers. So, thank you guys so much. Onward and upward. And as I hit 1,000, we're gonna have an even bigger giveaway. So, like I said, even if you don't necessarily be the winner of this one, stick around, we got more coming. So, all right, let's jump in and get into our new unboxing today, okay? So let's get everything out of the way. Let's get the desk ready here. All right, in terms of today, I got a new watch, and I really like this one. Okay, it's a little bit big, but I like this one. We'll do a quick wristwatch check. I'm wearing the last watch that I unboxed. This is a deep blue day-night T100. It has a nice Seiko NH35 movement, tritium tubes. It's not bad. It's not a bad watch at all. So this is the deep blue here, that I've been wearing for the past couple of days. But I did receive today. Well, actually, I got it a couple days ago. Yesterday, I did get the new Vostok. Let's take a look here. So this is the new piece, Vostok Europe. And I will say that I love the look of this watch. It's a little bit big. I'm trying to get over my large watch phobia here. So I would say that this is probably about as big as I would wear. I think this one is just ever so slightly bigger. So we'll take a look here, okay? So let's get the top popped off here. And we've got, so first of all, I want to say, one thing that I like about this watch is that it came on mesh, and I think mesh is underrated, by the way. But it also comes with this blue with like a white contrast stitch, so it's like a blue leather. It's got the Vostok at the bottom there, and it did come with this as well, and it matches, so you can wear the blue leather with it as well. We've got the instruction booklet. So there's everything there, just kind of tells you probably about the movement, how to operate it, that sort of thing. We'll put that to the side, and we've got the watch. Now, I just want to comment on the box real quick, actually, before I get into the watch. This is on watchgang.com, okay? This was on their Tier 4 wheel, which I believe is somewhere north of $300 to acquire, okay? This box, come on, guys. And this isn't at Watch Game, this is at Vostok. Yeah, it's an expensive, watch. It's a nice watch. This box to me, come on, guys. This is just like a cardboard paper box here. No frills, just a lift off. It's not spring loaded. There's nothing special about this box. And I just think that for the price, they could have gone with just a slightly nicer box. So listen, only gripe. Just a slight one, but only gripe here. So this kind of paper lift-off box, I mean, this is kind of what they send out a lot of the times with the, you can get the $99 Watch Gang Black Tier watch, and a lot of times the box is nicer than this, at least. So, actually, if you get the Jerome Lamar's watches, the box to that is insane. It's a really nice box. So, I received a Jerome Lamar's watch for $99, and the watch box was very nice. So it's, that's all I'm saying. It's just that this box could be a little bit nicer, but, we'll go with it, okay? All right. So now, in terms of the actual watch, let's move that out of the way. This is felt lined inside, by the way. In terms of the actual watch, this is the Almaz, and it's a limited edition. So it's $100. I'm sorry, $100. It is not $100. There are 100 of them made. So there's 100 of each color. So this particular color, there's 100 made. There's like a cream color of this particular watch. There's 100 made. There's a couple different variations, but each one is only 100 pieces made. Let's see. I was looking for the, let me see here. It might actually be on the back here. It might be numbered on the back here. Let me see if I could take this off here. I wonder if I can find the number here. Let's see here. It doesn't say on there. No, I don't see it. But there's only 100 pieces made. I was hoping that maybe there was a, this is number 50 of 100 sort of thing. But it says there's only 100 pieces made. And as you can see, it's a really nice watch. So you got that blue sunburst dial there. You've got 2 sub-dials. It looks like the bottom dial is going to be a 24-hour dial. And then in terms of the top dial, that is a power reserve indicator. So this is, of course, has the typical, I think it has a 41-hour power reserve. So that's pretty standard here. It does have a screw down crown, and it actually came on this mesh. And if you are a fan of the channel, you pay attention. I do like mesh. This because my wrists are bigger. It's a lot easier to resize, but also I just like the look of it overall. So I've put mesh on some of my other watches as well. On the back side here, it looks like it does have, of course, the exhibition case back. So you can see the movement there as you see that turn, and you can see it's got everything. It's got the Almaz logo here. Everything etched in the back, just kind of telling you about the details of the watch. It's really nice. I will say this is really well done. The back is well done. So this is, of course, this has a very high polish on it going on there, as I've got it all fingerprinted up. There's a very high polish going on there. All over. It looks like the top is brushed right around here, around the bezel. But everything else has definitely got a high polish situation going on. I think it makes for a really nice statement piece because it's really big. And you'll see me pop it on the wrist here in a second. This is, of course, a rotating bezel. So this bezel does rotate here. 120 clicks, so as usual. Let's put that back. And it's really nice. I think this is really nice. It does have a. We'll get the exact model of the movement. It just says it just gives the number. It's like the S2 Y, some kind of variation of. Obviously, it's just a model number. I looked it up. Because I was kind of curious. It is actually a. This is it's a Seiko Epson movement. So I guess it's the Seiko Epson Corporation. But from what I understand, it was made by Orient, which obviously is the same company as Seiko Epson. So that's just what I was seeing online, like on Reddit. They were talking about it. So Listen, it's it comes from Seiko. I mean, I'm assuming it's it's a decent, robust movement here, so shouldn't have any worries out of that. But let's try it on the wrist. Let's take a look here, and then of course on the back, real quick, it does have the VE on the clasp there. It does say VE for Vostok Europe. So let's throw that on the wrist and let's take a look at it here. Now, keep in mind, this is a big watch. Like I said, this is probably going to be the biggest. Actually, yes, this is going to be the biggest watch that I own currently. As I'm looking over at my collection, I think, yeah, this is going to be the biggest watch that I own. Give me a second. I'm going to strap it on the wrist, and then we will take a look at it on my roughly 8¼ inch wrist here. There we go. All right, so we are snapped up. Gonna go ahead and give it a nice shimmy so that we can a chamois. I'm gonna give it a nice chamois so that we can get the fingerprints off. And here we go. So this is it on my large wrists, and that's always the thing that kind of kills me is that I have roughly 8¼ inch wrists. My wrists are huge. Okay, so you can see it on me. I can only imagine a mere mortal. No, I'm kidding. I can only imagine a smaller guy pulling this off because it is huge. It is pretty normal. I mean, it's pretty massive. I mean, which just doesn't seem normal to me. Now, I usually, like I said, this is usually the biggest, and I think in diameter, I think it's slightly larger than this one. I think this is about 45. This one here is 47 millimeters. So we're gonna look at the full specs, but this is 47 millimeters. So this is 3 millimeters away from being a 50 millimeter hand cannon. Okay, so this is ginormous. But listen, I really do like it. I love the look of it. I do like the power reserve indicator. I like the 24-hour dial. It looks very nice, and it actually kind of looks like my TCM watch. So let's take a look at the specs. I've got the website pulled up here. Give me one quick second. Let me pull up that page. Here we go. All right, so here's it here. And you can also take a look at it on the blue leather. So it does look very nice on the blue leather band as well with the white contrast stitching, just in case that was a route that you wanted to go here. This is how we currently have it. And I will say it's very nice. And maybe perhaps that is why the box suffered a little bit, because you do get 2 bands. So let me also say that as well. I kind of not give them a knock for the box being so cheap for the price point, but you do get a second band. So listen, I mean, maybe there's a trade-off there. So now let's go down and let's look at the specifications on this particular watch. You do have, let's see, it's the S2YN84, just as Japanese automatic movement, manual winding possible, no battery needed. Let's see here. You've got the 24-hour indicator, like I said. You've got the power reserve at the 12 o'clock. Let's see here. It says second stop function for precise time adjustment. So that's just going to be hacking, essentially. So it does hand wind, it does hack, it is automatic. Very durable and reliable movement with 21,600 vibrations a minute. Power reserve is 40 hours. And let's see here. It just says shock absorber device for balance. Let's see here, for balance staff. Okay. Now, in terms of the watch case, like I said, 47 millimeters. It is stainless steel. Okay. Water resistance up to 20 ATM. You've got, now it just says glass. It just says hardened anti-reflective K1 crystal. Okay. You've got the screw down crown. Okay. Case back is screw down. And you've got Superluminova rotating bezels. So everything it does have an engraved serial number. So I just need to get my get a magnifying glass out and kind of check everything so that it see what number it is. I'm sure it's on there somewhere. I hadn't really had time to look at it, but so I'm sure it's numbered if it's 1 of 100. But overall, guys, this is a nice piece. I have a Vostok Amphibia. I have that custom Brian Van Wey Vostok Amphibia, which I know is older and very different from this one now, from what I understand. I really like that piece a lot. That's probably going to be one of my favorite pieces. But in terms of this one here, like I said, this kind of newer, with watch with the same name, I really do like this. I will say that. I really do like this. So this is very nice. I would wear. I'm gonna try to hold on to this one for a little while. It is large. I'm trying to get over my large watch phobia that I have here. It's about 2 millimeters larger than probably the largest watch that I would wear. So I'm trying to just put that to the side and just enjoy it, just wear it. Let me know, do you wear watches this size in the comment section below? Are you a 47 millimeter watch guy? Are you a smaller watch guy? This is just towards the larger end of what I would normally wear. But hey, listen, you grow every day, right? So again, hit the comment section below or hit the description box below. Like I said, join the giveaway, follow the channel, follow us on Instagram, and then lastly, go down to the link and throw your email in there for the official entry, okay? Thank you guys so much for stopping in. I really do appreciate it. This has been Unbox and Chill, signing out.